Welcome to InLoox. In this video we will show you how to create your own custom fields. Please note that you need administrator rights to do this. Let's get started. To create your own fields, first click on your profile picture at the bottom left and navigate to the account settings. Then click on the left-hand menu item Custom Fields. Custom fields are global settings. This means that a user-defined field is not created for a single project, but appears throughout all projects. The first step is to decide where the field should be placed in the project. You have various options here. Examples are on the Manage page of the project, in Tasks, Mind Maps, the Planning, Time Entries, and many more. In our example, we would like to add an additional location field so that projects can be assigned to a specific project location. This field should be placed on the Start page of the project, the so-called Manage page. We therefore remain in the Project tab and click on the blue New button. We name the field location and have to decide on a certain type of field. In this case, a list seems suitable, with which only one value has to be selected from predefined values. Then click on Save. The newly created location field now appears. To further configure the field and to enter some default values, click on the Edit List icon on the right. We have the locations Germany, Italy, and Sweden, which I simply enter in this order by clicking on New. I want the selection to be empty by default and really have to be made actively, that's why I leave the bullets empty here. I also want the field to always have to be selected, so the selection is not allowed to be empty. It should also not be possible to add new items. You can of course decide for yourself which selection makes sense for your use case. Click on Close to apply the changes automatically. You can also define display rules for your custom fields by clicking on Always Visible in the corresponding row. Display rules are helpful if the field should not be visible in all projects, but only in projects where a certain value is entered, for example for a division. In this case, I only want to make the field visible for IT projects. So I apply the rule to the division name and enter IT. These divisions have previously been defined in the settings under Organization. Finally, we click on Save. Let's take a look at the changes in the project list. The new field is now available in all projects with the defined division IT. In the Manage page of IT projects, you can now access the defined list and select an according value for the field location. Please note, the new custom field applies not only to new projects, but also to existing projects. If you would like to watch more video tutorials or read help articles, you will find all the information you need on our website.